Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore an amazing tool that helps you create songs with just a few clicks. Yes, it's Suno AI. For those of you who love writing songs or are just starting out, Suno AI is a game changer. So what is Suno AI? Suno AI is a web-based application that uses artificial intelligence to create music. From melodies and lyrics to full-fledged songs, it helps you create effortlessly. There are a few standout features that make Suno AI so special. Let's go through them one by one. First, automatic melody creation. Just input a basic idea and Suno AI will generate unique melodies for you. Second, the lyric generator. Simply provide a theme or a few keywords. And voila, your lyrics are ready. Third, Suno AI supports a variety of genres, like pop, rock, EDM, and hip-hop. So no matter your musical style, Suno AI has got you covered. And fourth, you can export your creations directly to your favorite editing software, like FL Studio, Ableton, or Audacity. Now here's some great news for new users. Suno AI offers a free plan where you'll receive 50 credits every day. Each song you create uses only 10 credits. That means you can make up to 5 songs daily without spending a dime. Perfect for trying out and experimenting with the platform. So how do you use it? It's super simple. Open the Suno AI website, log in, or sign up for an account.
Lights fade and dreams loud. You're there standing proud.
Choose what you want to create, like an instrumental or a full song. Input your basic ideas, such as chords, themes, or your preferred genre. Hit the generate button, and your song is ready.
Lights fade and dreams loud.
It's not just easy, the results are incredible. Here's an example of a song I created earlier. Let's listen to a quick snippet.
Lights fade and dreams loud. You're there standing proud. Each beat, each pulse around. Your support lives unbound. Through chaos and the noise, your echo gives me voice. In shadows where I wander, you shine bright, no plunder. Thank you now for guiding me through the dark and light. Your strength I see. In the stormy dance, hands out, no chance of falling apart. You're my heart. Let's say in dreams loud. You're there standing proud. Each beat, each pulse around. Your support lifts unbound. Through chaos and the noise, your echo gives me voice. In shadows where I wander, you shine bright, no plunder. Thank you now for guiding me through the dark and light. Your strength I see. In the storm we dance, hands held, no chance of falling apart. You're my heart. Together we soar higher than before.
So what do you think? Amazing, right? Suno AI makes the songwriting process so much easier and more fun. It's perfect for both beginners and pros. And with the free credits, you can explore and create as much as you want every day. So what are you waiting for? Try it now. If you've tried Suno AI or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting updates. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep making music.
Thank you now for guiding me through the dark and light. Your strength dance.